All the plants are growing like weeds in the tiny house, which means it's time to propagate. Kia ora, my name is Holly and I'm going to show you how. This first method is great for string of turtles, pearls, and hearts. For this, you'll need a pot and Tui indoor plant mix. Fill your pot right to the brim. Chop the plant after at least 5 leaves and take as many cuttings as you want. Place those cuttings on top of the soil and use wire cut and bent into U shapes to hold the strands down, to help the plant establish itself and stay in place. Keep the top layer of the soil moist and keep it in a warm, sunny spot. Now you're all done, let's look at water propagation. This method is great for syngoniums, monstera, philodendron, pothos, peperomia, and many others. Every cutting will need a node. They're not always this easy to spot, so look for these small bumps. Cut between the nodes and fill a glass with water. Place your cutting in the water so that node is submerged. Within a couple of weeks or months, you'll notice that the roots are starting to grow. When they're 1 to 2 inches long, they're ready to plant. Have fun this summer filling your home with plants that you've grown yourself.